In chapter 3.2.4, we get a bunch more complexity classes. So this one is a plethora of complexity classes. And this is not a course on theoretical computer science or computational complexity. So we're not going to be concerned with all of them. We just want the sort of main characters in the play. We've seen most of them, but there's a few more that we should know. So the first one that appears is PSPACE. So you could guess what this is. This is the set of problems which can be solved not in polynomial time, but with polynomial memory or polynomial space. So set of problems which can be solved with polynomial space, meaning memory. And the next one that we should at least know is the class EXP. So X will be the set of problems which can be solved with exponential time. So I'll just abbreviate it. So exponential time. We have the following theorem of the relationship between all the classes that we've seen so far. So we've proved this theorem at least. We didn't write it down, but we didn't really need to. It's so obvious that P is contained in NP. There's also the containment of NP being a subset of PSPACE. And this is a subset of exponential time. So this is known, but frankly, quite little is known about the full relationship. So for example, it's not known whether any of these are tight, meaning proper subsets or actual equality. Okay, so inclusions are not known to be tight. Give you another way to visualize this and where quantum computers fit into this discussion. So let's draw the following diagram. First, I want to have PSPACE. I'll just go up to PSPACE here, but again, you can include EXP as a larger box because we know that we have this inclusion. So the set of all problems which can be solved in polynomial space. Let's represent that by this box. We know that NP is going to be a subset of that. So this will be the class NP. There's a certain set of problems which are in NP, which are the hardest ones, and we call those the NP complete problems. So we have a certain set of problems within NP that are the hardest ones. That is the class NP complete. And we also know that P is a subset of NP. So I don't have a different color today, but just to give you some idea of what is believed to be true about quantum computers is the following. So write it as a dashed line, dashed for quantum. It's believed that the class BQP, which stands for bounded error quantum polynomial. Bounded error quantum polynomial, just think about that as the quantum version of efficient, okay, for now. It's believed that this sort of relationship would be true. Why is that? Well, we know with Shor's algorithm that the factoring problem of factoring is in the class BQP. And it's not known whether factoring is in the class P. It's not believed to be, but it's a belief. Why is it not believed to be? It's because a lot of smart people thought about it for a long time, and no one's able to has been able to find a solution. Of course, that's not super satisfying, but a lot of things in computer science actually are beliefs. So this is not believed to be true. So that means we have at least some data points. There's more of them in the sort of theory of quantum computational complexity. But it's known that factoring is in the class BQP, and it's not believed to be in the class P. We can write down another set of inclusions, including this. So similarly, that these are all not known to be tight, we'll also have the following. P will be a subset of BPP. This is bounded error probabilistic polynomial. So this is the sort of direct relationship between BQP. This is just the sort of probabilistic version of the class P. So bounded error probabilistic polynomial, BPP. This is a subset of BQP, which again is a subset of PSPACE. The relationship of BQP to NP and NP complete problems is not known as well to sort of any degree of satisfaction. So you have these sort of two pictures of computational complexity classes. This one, if you'd like to visualize it this way, and then this one is helpful for understanding what we mean by NP hard and NP complete classes.